Imagine you're in a bustling manufacturing plant, surrounded by the rhythmic sounds of machinery, the hum of production lines, and the focused buzz of workers collaborating to create something extraordinary. In this environment, there's a silent hero that often goes unnoticed, yet it is crucial to the success of every product that rolls off the assembly line. That hero is the bill of materials, or BOM for short. Today, let's dive deep into what a BOM is, how it's used in manufacturing, and why it matters so much. So, what exactly is a bill of materials? At its core, a BOM is a comprehensive list of all the raw materials, components, sub-assemblies, and parts required to produce a finished product. Think of it as a recipe for manufacturing. Just like baking a cake requires specific ingredients in certain quantities, producing a product requires a detailed breakdown of all the necessary materials. A BOM outlines everything, from the smallest screws to the most complex sub-assemblies, providing a clear blueprint for the entire manufacturing process. Now, you might wonder how this document is structured. Well, BOMs can be categorized into two main types, single-level and multi-level. A single-level BOM is straightforward, listing all components needed for a finished product in a flat format. This is ideal for simpler products. On the other hand, a multi-level BOM is more intricate, showcasing a hierarchical structure that includes sub-assemblies and their respective components. This is particularly useful for complex products, allowing manufacturers to see how different parts fit together. Let's talk about the main components of a BOM. First, there's the part number, a unique identifier for each component. Then comes the part description, which details what each component is and its specifications. The quantity required tells manufacturers how many of each part they need, while the unit of measure specifies how those quantities are counted: pieces, meters, kilograms, you name it. Additional information like supplier details, costs, lead times, and even assembly instructions can also be included. This comprehensive detail ensures that everyone involved in the manufacturing process is on the same page. Now, how is a BOM used in the manufacturing world? It's essential for several reasons. Firstly, it aids in production planning. By knowing what materials are needed and in what quantities, manufacturers can schedule their production runs effectively. Secondly, it plays a pivotal role in inventory management. A BOM helps keep track of inventory levels, ensuring that manufacturers have enough parts on hand to meet production demands without overstocking. This balance is crucial for maintaining profitability. Quality control is another significant aspect. By cross-referencing the parts used in production against the BOM, manufacturers can ensure that every component meets the necessary specifications and quality standards. This meticulous attention to detail not only enhances product quality, but also safeguards the company's reputation. Furthermore, BOMs facilitate effective supply chain management. They provide suppliers with a clear understanding of what components are required, enabling them to prepare and deliver the necessary materials on time. This seamless communication between manufacturers and suppliers is vital for maintaining a smooth production flow. But let's not forget about cost management. By breaking down the components required for each product, BOMs help manufacturers identify the most expensive parts and find ways to reduce costs without compromising quality. This aspect can significantly impact the overall profitability of the business. Now, why does all of this matter? Well, the importance of BOMs in manufacturing cannot be overstated. They improve efficiency by streamlining the production process, reduce costs by minimizing waste, and ensure quality by maintaining strict standards. Additionally, they enhance collaboration between different departments, allowing everyone to work together towards a common goal. However, creating and maintaining an accurate BOM is not without its challenges. The complexity of products, data quality issues, and the need for collaboration among various teams can make BOM management a daunting task. Manufacturers must regularly update their BOMs to reflect any changes in product design or materials, and they need to ensure that everyone involved is using the most current version. This requires a robust system for managing BOMs, often supported by specialized software that can automate many of these processes. In the realm of complex or customized products, the considerations become even more intricate. Manufacturers must ensure that their BOMs reflect the final product design, include all necessary parts, and account for variations that may arise during the customization process. This level of detail is critical for avoiding errors and ensuring that the final product meets customer expectations. So, who typically creates a BOM in a manufacturing environment? It often starts with the engineering team who design the product and specify the components needed. The production team then reviews the BOM to ensure it aligns with the manufacturing process. In larger organizations, a dedicated BOM team may be responsible for managing and updating the document, ensuring that it remains accurate and current. In conclusion, the bill of materials is a fundamental element of the manufacturing process. It's the backbone that supports everything from production planning and inventory management to quality control and cost management. By understanding what a BOM is, how it's structured, and why it matters, manufacturers can leverage this powerful tool to streamline their operations, enhance collaboration, and ultimately improve profitability. So, the next time you see a product on a shelf, remember the silent hero behind it, the BOM that made it all possible.